When I got my blood results back and I found out I had high cholesterol and early signs of fatty liver disease, I wasn't eating badly. I was exercising, but I just wasn't feeding my microbiome. That experience is part of what led me to build Loam. And it's why this finding from our clinical trial matters to me personally. Because most people think of metabolism as just calories in and calories out. Exercise, diet, maybe genetics. Gut microbiome rarely enters the conversation. But your gut bacteria are deeply involved in how your body processes food, regulates blood sugar, and manages energy. They influence how efficiently you extract calories, how your cells respond to insulin, or how hungry or full you feel after eating. Your gut health isn't just about digestion. It affects your metabolic health, and often in ways that don't show up until you run a blood test. The primary metabolic pathway runs through short-chain fatty acids, particularly propionate and butyrate. Propionate, produced when bacteria like Prevotella ferment fiber, travels to the liver and plays a direct role in regulating glucose production and insulin sensitivity. It also signals satiety, helping you feel full for longer after eating. Butyrate reduces systemic inflammation, and chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the core drivers of insulin resistance and metabolic dysfunction. So if you feed the bacteria that produce these compounds, you are supporting your metabolism at the root level. Prevotella was among the most strongly enriched genera in the Loam groups in our trial, with the largest fold change of any taxon we measured versus placebo. We also saw enrichment of amino acid metabolism pathways, the strongest functional pathway signal in the entire trial. And butanoate metabolism, butyrate production, trended higher in the Loam groups throughout. We didn't measure blood sugar or insulin directly in this trial, but what we measured were the bacteria and pathways that the science consistently links to healthy metabolic function. The microbiome we want to see for metabolic health, that is what Loam was building. Your metabolism isn't just about what you eat, but what your gut does with that.